These are the top 5 most dangerous natural phenomenon that can destroy our world. I bet you will be terrified at the last one. Comment which one you think is the most dangerous. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. Landslide. This is so terrifying. Next is wildfire. This is currently happening in Los Angeles. Next is flash floods. I hope the person filming this is fine. Next is hailstorm. What the heck? Why is no one rescuing the cow? Next is giant waves.